1984 Toyota pickup. Today we're gonna replace the rear shocks. So we're gonna remove this one. This is the port number for the rear shocks. I get these ones from Napa. So alright. So to remove these shocks we need to use a 17mm socket. It's really easy to do this job. It takes around like 10 minutes or less. So we remove the 17 at the top and the bottom bolt with the washer. Okay, with a hammer just we hit it right there and that one right there. Okay, and then we're gonna clean this part right here. We're gonna clean it and we're gonna add a little bit of WD-40. Alright, so we got the new one. We install the top one first and then the bottom part. Okay, we're gonna use a cutter to cut that part right there, and we push a little bit and we install it. Alright, so now we just reinstall the bolts. So another thing is just a jack to lift up the differential. So yeah, just lift it up with the jack. And for those bolts we're gonna torque at 72 foot-pounds. 72 foot-pounds. So I do it with my air gun first, and then I want to use my torque for 72 foot-pounds. Okay, so basically guys, that's it. You have to do the same thing to the other side, and I hope this video helped you to change your own shocks in these Toyotas.